Hi guys, I'm Nicole Fig. Welcome back to my channel. This will just be a short video sharing some information regarding some lessons that I've been planning. So in the past couple of days I've been posting on my Facebook, Instagram and even on YouTube asking you guys if you would be interested in attending group Bodhrán lessons on Zoom. And the amount of feedback that I got from you guys, it was absolutely incredible. So first of all, thank you for all your support and for just building that communication with me. It really pumps me up to keep doing things like this. So thank you so much. So I got really, positive attendance rates, and I also got, it depend on the schedule and it depend on the level and the content that is being taught in the lesson. So I just thought that making a video like this would hopefully help answer all your questions. So the way registration is going to work for this course is that I need you guys to send me a message at nicolefig.com. I will put my link in the description box, that way you could just click it and it'll open up right up for you. So on your message, I would like for you guys to tell me the level that you're currently on, if there is anything that you would like to work on. It could be 1 or 2 points. Your time zone, and that's really important because I have people watching from different time zones and I want to make sure that I'm sorting you out with the right time zone. And lastly, if there is any day or time that is more convenient for you. I can't make any promises that I will make it work, but I will surely try. So once I have received the messages, I will sort them out in different levels. So I'll have beginner, intermediate, advanced, and different time zones if need be, and maybe even different schedules, maybe a morning and an afternoon or an evening time. One thing is that I do not want to have too many people in one class, because even though it's an hour-long lesson, having 20 people attending at the same time will make it really complicated for me to really connect individually and to help you out with your individual needs. So I will keep them on the smaller side. So once I have the groups and hopefully I can accommodate everybody's time, I will send you the Zoom link and we can have our lesson. During our lesson, because of the messages that you've sent me, I will have an idea of what I need to work on with each group, each level or each interest, and then I will make sure to take time to go through everybody's questions and what they need to work on, and then I'll also give you extra something to keep you going and to keep you motivated. So as of right now, the lessons are $5 US the hour, and it's payable through PayPal. And everything will be then done on message and through Zoom. So you will just need those 3 things. So my website for the message, PayPal for the $5 US fee, and also Zoom, so you can take the lesson. So I hope that you guys are as excited as I am. I am really pumped. I'm really happy I get to meet all of you, and I think this will be accessible for a lot more people, and I will just be able to meet you and hopefully answer some of the questions that I'm not able to really answer on the comment section because I can't see you. So hopefully this will work out for everybody, and who knows, if it keeps working out and you guys enjoy it, maybe I can keep doing this more often. So I hope that you guys can join me and that I get to meet you. So talk soon. Bye.